My name is Emanuel Abramovitz and I will be teaching a class called The Search for an American Sound. For many years, great European and American composers had expressed contrasting opinions on how Americans would develop its own sound. Then a fantastic, diverse generation of composers of classical music, Broadway shows, Hollywood scores, followed parallel paths, creating a sound that is identified with these lands and these people. With plenty of audiovisuals and musical examples, we'll be part of this fantastic journey that has not ended yet. So see you soon online.